I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above.
Hey, this is Joshua Garcia. Happy birthday to Leslie Joyce Viray from Santiago City. More birthdays to come. Ayan, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Beshi.
Happy birthday sa isang napakabuti kong kaibigan. Ay! happy birthday sa iyo, my friend. TJ Luna, sa aking katambalan sa The Supercharger Show. Thank you so much for always being a good friend to me, for always listening. Kahit alam mo yun, dinadrunk message na kita. And maraming salamat, Mayora, sa napakaraming referrals din. Enjoy your day and I wish you all the blessings and all the happiness that you deserve. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Leslie. Ang wish ko, sana umabot pa yung buhay mo. At saka marami pang gigs at maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo sa tulong ng Panginoon. Sabi niya sa Bible, commit to the Lord whatever you do and your plans will succeed. Huwag mo kalilimutan yan. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hey, yo, Luna. What's up? Sorry. Medyo may amats na. Happy birthday. First of all, I pray na mag-prosper pa yung life mo, mag-prosper pa yung plan mo sa life mo. And sana soon makahanap ka ng papakasalad mo, asawa mo, magkaroon ka na rin ng pamilya. And it's a privilege na makilala ka sa buhay na to. Hindi ko rin nakalain na magtatagpo yung landas natin. Magkakabanda tayo, magkakasama tayo sa jamming. At hindi lang yun, magkakasama tayo na nagpo-food trip, ganyan. I hope na magkakasama pa rin tayo pagdating ng araw. Magsasamdi pa rin tayo pag naging busy na kayo sa mga buhay nyo. So, yun lang. Wala nang ibang sat. Happy birthday. God bless.
So, I just want to say happy birthday to Ate Leslie, or should I say DJ Luna. Yes, of course, the one and only DJ Luna. O, diba? Pinaganda pa. So, ate, sana ang araw mo today ay puno ng good vibes, solid beats, at sayang moments. More gigs, more blessings, and more success sa music and sa life. And of course, keep shining, keep doing what you love, at patuloy mong pasayahin yung mga tao through your music. Cheers to another year of dreams, growth, and great sound trip. Once again, happy birthday, ate!
Happiest birthday, Mom Leslie. Wish you all the best. May God bless you all the time and more birthdays to come. We love you, Mom.
Hi, Mom Leslie. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Stay pretty, kind, and cute. We love you so much, Mom. Lalo na po si Jack. Love na love ka po niya. And sana po wala na po siyang pagsaselosan kasi super selosa po niya pagdating sa'yo. God bless you, Mom. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mom Leslie. More birthdays to come. Wish you all the best and God bless you. Bye, Mom. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mom Leslie. May your birthdays be filled with love, laughter, and everything you wish for. God bless po. Stay safe always. Miss you, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom Les. Ang wish ko lang po sa'yo ay God will give you enough strength and God will guide you kung saan ka man pupunta, at higit sa lahat, more rockets to come. Thank you so much, Ma'am, sa pag-i-invite sa amin sa lahat ng mga pinupuntahan nyo. Kahit na hindi kami ganun kagaling sumayaw, pero patuloy nyo pa rin kaming ini-invite kung may time po kami. Thank you so much. Yun lang, Ma'am. Happy birthday ulit.
Me with great Mom Leslie God. Thank you for being my rant buddy. Rant buddy! Charot lang, Ma'am, pero thank you sa pakikinig sa mga nobela ko. More novelas to come, more kwentos to come, and more birthdays to come. Stay pretty, stay humble, and stay everything. Stay everything. Ayun lang, Ma'am. Yun lang, Ma'am. Bye-bye. I love you so much. I miss you so much. I miss you so much.